Planning a move? Wondering how much it's going to cost? Estimating your moving costs can be tricky, but with the right information, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know to estimate your moving costs. When estimating your moving costs, consider the following key factors. The first big decision: are you going to rent a truck and handle the move yourself, or are you hiring professional movers? While doing it yourself is usually cheaper, the price gap may not be as wide as you think, especially with long-distance moves. Let's start with the basics. For a local move, you're looking at a range of $1,300 to $2,400. For long-distance moves, the cost typically ranges from $4,000 to $5,000, depending on the distance and other factors. If you decide to rent a truck and do it yourself, the biggest expense is the truck rental itself. For example, a 1,000-mile move can cost anywhere between $2,300 and $3,200, depending on the size of the truck. For a cross-country move, which typically spans around 2,350 miles, the cost of truck rental can range from $4,100 to $5,200. Here's a quick recap. To estimate your moving costs accurately, keep these things in mind. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you estimate your moving costs. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more moving tips and tricks. Good luck with your move!